The Summit View Tower, 90 minutes to go 2 kilometers. Say that again?
Because it's too steep, it's difficult to walk. So when they calculate the time you use on the hiking, they will give you more time so you can take a break.
Yep. Makes sense.
Yeah. But once you get into the woods, it might be very cold. So that's that. Oh, so that's the entrance. It's not there. Okay. So what's that? I don't know. The other one? Okay. That's pretty. Yeah.
That is pretty. Yeah.
We're gonna come the same way down,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You gotta take a picture later when we come down.
Jason washing his boots.
Yeah.
Wow, it is a little chilly and damp. Huh, my ears are cold. So we've driven northeast out of the city. And we're gonna hike up to the
That's a small crate.
top of this. There's a
That's the street one.
lookout.
Slide.
Yep. Sorry about all the jiggling. There's a bridge. There's a creek down there. This Osmo is crazy. Maybe what I should do is go to wide angle chlorinated treated water discharge. All right. So there's the creek. Okay. Moving up from the creek. So one of the Google reviewers said that there was 1,349 steps. Crazy. And it's very busy. Lots of people. How we doing?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was I saying before we got interrupted with the creek? Oh, so this is, I forget the Maldi name, but this is the name of the mountains.
Hakarimata.
So it's the western range that separates the Hamilton Basin from the Tasman Sea. So hopefully we'll get a good view of all of that from the top. Can you see the sea from the top,
The creek.
Guillermo?
Sorry?
Can you see? Yep, there's the creek. I said, can you see the sea from the top?
No, I don't think so. You can see, I think, Hamilton.
Just Hamilton?
Yeah, I think so. Very nicely.
You can get some of the hiking poles.
Yeah, we have plenty of those at home. Just go back, honey. Yeah, good hiking poles are expensive.
I've got still a lot of
Yeah, lots of ferns. It's very damp. Yeah, so at the foot of these hills on the east side is a fault line.
Oh, look at that. There's a branch in the between.
Yeah,
It's so weird.
fallen branch. Yeah, it's called the Waipapa Fault. That separates the Hamilton Basin from the mountain range. It's nice having the sounds of the babbling brook. It's been raining for the last couple days, cats and dogs, so it's nice that there's gravel. Otherwise, we'd be all muddy. We're joined today by Guillermo. Guillermo is also in the Red Cross
Yeah.
as a volunteer.
Since 2000, last year.
Yep. And you went to Auckland for the tornado response as well, right?
Yeah, I was there. Yeah, it was my first deployment.
Nice. Your first deployment. Well, it was a good deployment. It had a little bit of everything.
Yeah, it was very nice to do the outreach, community assessment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, be able to knock on doors and tell people, see if they need anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and see community spirit, and yeah, it was a very nice experience. Yeah.
How many houses did you visit, you think?
I don't know the number exactly, but I guess maybe more than 40 houses, I guess.
Oh, wow.
Terrible, slippery.
Slippery, okay. I'll do my best not to wipe out.
Okay, hope they're doing okay. So the people in Tabasco.
Yeah, no kidding. There's the Babbling Creek. Oh, sorry, got people behind us. I'm just farting along. Wow, this is the busiest trail we've ever been on in New Zealand. And people are in a hurry. Goodness. I didn't know I had signed up for a marathon.
And also they have a little ride.
Got a runner coming.
Sorry.
Who knew we had so many trail runners in Hamilton?
Mexico and Waipapa. And whenever there is cultural events, find the school because it's Columbus.
Oh, I forgot to put on the Garmin watch. Oh well. Would have been good too to turn on the maps 3D and have a GPX of our route. Oh well. Such is life. So it's Saturday morning, middle of winter. I think the low last night was 7 Celsius. We're going up to 14 Celsius. Where? Oh yeah, that's a waterfall, all right. With a pipe. Very nice. That's where we came from. And that's where we're going. All right. Let's keep going. Oh, do we have people? No, just us. Oh, it definitely feels like being in a rainforest. Reminds me of Costa Rica. Tiny one. We'll go back and video. As much as it's been raining, not surprising that every drop off is going to have some water running.
Which way are we going?
It's that way. So there's another, you want to see another waterfall there?
This is the old waterworks. Mangarata Dam.
It's all about climbing today, honey.
Oh yes, no waterfall. It's like a falling.
So it is a small dam.
Yep.
I wonder what they use the dam for though.
Drinking water.
Huh?
Drinking water. This is how the little town down there got its water. Now the water comes out of the Waikato and it's filtered and chlorinated.
So it just stops here? Yeah. Okay, good. Good to know. Where's the wall? Look at that. That's a cute place. Looks very mysterious.
Yeah.
At night, when the
It sounds like there's a waterfall
Yeah.
in that direction. I'm gonna have to blow my nose and take my coat off. Oh, it's sunny, but you'd hardly know it with all the coverage. Welcome to the summit. All right. We're going up to the top of the tower. Oh, the sky's cleared. It was sprinkling on us a moment ago. Yeah, you know, people in Auckland say that you carry your umbrella in one hand and your sunglasses in the other.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, you can feel the rainbow.
You can feel the rainbow. Wow.
I mean, feel.
That's pretty incredible. What does it feel like? Is it soft or scratchy?
Are you looking for a slap on your face?
Indeed, that would be brilliant. So what's the name of this town here, Guillermo?
Narawahia.
Narawahia.
Mm-hmm.
Narawahia. And we think this is where the Maori king lives?
Don't know, but it has a very big marae.
Yeah, the biggest one. Outer one.
Okay, so
Do you see
the river coming in from here is the Waipa, and the river over there is the Waikato, and the marae is there.
Oh, that's Hamilton.
Yeah, so panning off to the east. Alrighty, so that right there is the Fonterra dairy plant. That's where our milk comes from. And then off in the distance, right behind that twig, that bush, that's the metropolis of Hamilton. The Tron, the city of the future.
The river is pretty.
The river is pretty.
With these curves.
So the river, the Waipa, it was the ancestral path of the Waikato before it was the Waikato. Yep. And you can see the rain just over here. Yeah, I'm surprised though that we can't see the ocean.
Probably another side.
I don't know.
We might see when it's the
wrong
weather
way.
is good.
Bless you. I didn't know this range was quite so wide. Actually, I think the ocean would be to our left behind these bushes anyways.
And it's raining over there too.
Yeah.
Can you see the rain?
I can see the rain. Can you see the sky tower?
No.
So there's the Huntley.
You can
Power
see the
station.
Power station.
See if we can zoom in. Yeah, we'll keep zooming. Yep. So there's the Huntley Power Station. It was built originally to burn coal. So all this area off to the left of that was coal fields, open pit coal mines. It's now been converted, I think, to run natural gas. We're still up at the top, and here's a helicopter pad for when they do search and rescue. And the gentleman that we were just chatting with said that you could normally see Mount Ruapehu from this observation point, that lookout tower, but it's a little cloudy and hazy today. So Jason and Guillermo are having a good conversation. Oh, you can hear the boy racers ripping through town. Yeah, so the Waipapa River, which is running just right here at the foot of this range, follows the Waipapa Fault most generally. And when Taupo, which is the volcano over here, when it exploded, its sediment, ash all became the sediment that then filled in this. And so what we're looking at is the Hamilton Basin. There's some low highlands, and behind that is the Ho Rocky Plains. And then that mountain range you see over there is the eastern range. Yeah, it's a fascinating geological place to be in.